Walking out in the rain one day, I met a friend of mine. And we walked our road together away, said we both felt fine. Well, the time came that we must part, my dear, dear friend and I. As gifts, I gave friendship, and she her heart, baked in an old-style pie. Who are you dreaming of? Is it a small child far away, crying for her mother? Is it an old woman of another day, crying for your love? It screams with all the latent fury of the hatred that lies in love. Carelessly, I ate the humble heart pie, digested, divested, part of a friend, part of a lie, part love, proved and tested. Who are you dreaming of? Are you dreaming of brand new life, the kind you wish you had? And how real is your dream or life, crying out for love? It screams with all the latent fury of the hatred that lies in love. Walking out in the rain one day, I met a friend of mine, and we walked along together away and said we both felt fine. The problem is, my thoughts are all locked up inside, peering from a private little cage where they hide. Sanity is a strange thing. You lose it so easily when you're tired, when you're drunk, when you're angry, when you've lost a friend, an enemy, a lover, hope. A mind is a large empty room in which two persons meet. Who are you dreaming of? Is it a small child far away? Is it an old woman of another day? Are you dreaming of brand new life? And how real is your dream or life when there is no love? It screams with all the latent fury of the hatred that lies in love. Walking out in the rain one day, my dear, dear friend and I, part of a friend and part a lie, but said we both felt fine.
Who are you dreaming of, crying in the rain? Who are you dreaming of, again, again, again?
Who are you dreaming of? Crying for her mother, crying for your love, the kind you wish you had, crying out for love. Part a friend and part of me, it screams with all the latent fury of hatred that lies. Thank you.